What in the world is, why do you have a painting of a horse?
My mom is best friends with this painter, and he painted that of my mom too.
No, but do you have like some weird fetish for horses?
My dad said this looks like a horse with boobs.
I can see it. Taylor has 2 hoverboards over here in the corner of her garage. Before we get
Watch out for the car, watch out for the car.
I already hit it.
Where are you going?
I'm going to the pool.
What pool?
Dad, our pool is like you can't even go in the water.
You can go in it. It's safe.
It's so foggy.
No, it's foggy because it
World star.
Oh, be careful. Watch out for that car there.
I will.
She'll kill you.
Taylor will kill me?
My mom will kill you.
You gotta ride that?
Yeah, you want to see a trick?
No. Yeah, no, it's dead. It's dead.
You guys really need to hear Taylor and her dad argue back and forth. It's the funniest thing ever because they're both so New York. It's just like, hey Taylor. And then she's like, what? And then they just get mad at each other and they just have like the most strong accents and it's the funniest thing. Day 2 in Arizona. I got a lemon bar this morning and it is once again 300 degrees outside.
It's hot.
And the AC is blasting and when you get in the car, it's basically like hot wind blowing in your face. It's great. Good morning guys, welcome back to another vlog. I hope you guys are all having an amazing morning, afternoon, or wherever you guys are in the world. It is day 2 in Arizona. It's extremely hot. We are headed down to go to the pool to wake ourselves up. We tried to have some caffeine, but it's just not working today. We snuck into Taylor's friend's pool again. We haven't snuck in yet, but you know, you gotta reach over. We're gonna get in there. We're gonna jump in the pool. We're gonna do some flips. If you guys are new to this channel, my name is Tanner Fox. I don't ever feel like I get to like introduce myself to the new followers, but I'm Tanner and I travel around the world and I do fun stuff all the time. We're gonna do some flips in the pool. Let's get the day started. You ready? Woo! People are probably like, shut up, you just came in our apartment, you're being too loud. My girlfriend's kind of a baller. That's her car over there, that's a McLaren. No, wait, I have a P1. What kind of car do you have?
Clearly a Lambo.
What kind of Lambo?
Murcielago.
The Murcielago, that's kind of outdated. You could have better. You don't F with the Centenario.
The what?
She doesn't even know, man. She's got a Murcielago and she doesn't have no idea. We're gonna go jump in the pool. Did that just go down?
Is it cracked?
Taylor just dropped her phone, I didn't film it.
Is it cracked?
Oh yeah, it's shattered.
That's not funny, Tanner.
It's kind of funny to me. I gotta see if this moves. It moves. I want to move that so I can run through here and flip into there.
I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. You like to move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it.
No more of that. We saw it from The Office.
Oh, no flips?
It's impressive, but you know that's like 4 feet, right?
Yeah.
And there's a step right there. No, you're
Okay.
gonna hurt yourself, bud. Okay?
My apologies, I won't do it anymore. Gang, gang, gang. I got one flip in. I was gonna make like a really cool edit, but I didn't realize there's an office right there. So, long story short, she said don't do it. It's not my apartment, so I was like, my apologies, no more flips, won't do it. But, hey, that's a good little ledge. I wish I could do more flips off it, but, you know, Fox fam, it's just too savage. We're getting kicked out left and right. I feel like I still might be allowed to just, or maybe she can't see if I just do flips from right there. Wow, I don't even know what I was going for. I'm sorry we didn't get to do a crazy cool cinematic, you know, because I do that stuff. Lens is dirty. Anyways, I gotta do a few flips really quick, but I don't want to get kicked out of here because the pool feels really, really, really good, and I want to keep jumping in it. So I'll get back to you when we're done pooling. I'm putting your little sandals on. Ew, what the hell is that? They come, they eat, they leave.
They come, they eat, they leave.
They come, they eat, they leave.
They come, they eat, they leave. They come, they eat, they leave.
We're playing an intense game of Marco Polo. Taylor, is it? We just did one round and I'm like, why am I not filming this? I'm too good at this.
Marco? Marco? Dave? Marco? Dave! Marco! What the heck? Marco!
We just left the pool. It was incredible. It's so hot out. Like I say that every freaking 2 seconds. So I want to talk to you guys about something really quick. I got a question for you. I think I did the math, or I thought about it. I think I've been on 25 flights in the past month. I have been, maybe not 25, that was a little over exaggerated. Let's say 15 to 20 flights in the past 30 days. I have been to Canada, I have been to Kansas, Colorado, Utah, California, LA. California's in LA anyway. Wait, crap. LA's in California. Spain, I had layovers in freaking other cities, and I've been all over the place, right? I want you guys to tell me, where's your favorite place I've traveled? I've been all over the place. It's been the time of my life. I love traveling. I like doing new things. Where is your favorite place that I have been this past month? We're gonna go get some pizza, and you guys type that up, and we're gonna enjoy some food. Do we have a subscriber? Can you give me knuckles? Is that against protocol?
Yes, you will.
No. He's making our food. You can touch me. These are my favorite soda machines ever. There's so many options.
Don't get Dr. Pepper, please don't. Please.
What should we get then?
Anything but Dr. Pepper.
Yellow mellow?
Root beer.
What's yellow?
Root beer?
Root beer's not fun.
Or Coke.
Let's get Sprite.
Ah.
This is chicken Alfredo pizza. It's so good because you know when you eat chicken Alfredo and then you eat it with a piece of garlic bread? It's like that, but it's in pizza form and it's insane. Oh, whoa, stand by. Oh my God, we're so goals. Goals. Are you vlogging? Are you a vlogger? Oh my God, we're so. If only you guys could see the camera I'm holding, because I'm holding the exact same thing. I just received a text from my sister. It was a photo, okay? And oh my God, wait till you guys freaking see this. I don't think you're ready. Maybe a graphic warning. What is this? Look at that. Okay, you guys see her eyes? You see her eyes? See how they look like lips? Both of them look like lips. She just told me the story of how that happened, and oh my God, her eyes are swollen, completely shut. If you guys want to see what happened, she just posted a story time on her YouTube channel. Go check it out when this vlog is over and see what happened to her. My God, Lindsay, I hope you're okay. Hey, Arizona, can you chill it down a little bit, please? It's like you don't need to be this hot. Like, I get you have cactuses, but like, can you stop a little bit, please? It's too hot. Woo! First of all, can we all drop? People will be filming. Don't drive past. If this is a road, you don't just drive past when people are clearly filming a vlog. First of all, can we all drop a like and a prayer, because I'm sitting out here, my butt is on fire right now. It's way too hot. But I really gotta tell you guys something. On a serious note, things are about to get a little serious right now. I'm gonna turn the camera towards me a little more, and then I'm gonna zoom in a tiny bit. Okay guys, so Tanner's gonna tone it down a little bit. So some serious stuff happened recently, and I gotta inform you guys about it. I am obviously in Arizona. I've been in Spain for the past 5 days. While I was in Arizona, my mom kind of called me and explained the situation we're having. So my GTR is actually being taken away right now, and I don't know that if I can go into very much detail as to why it's being taken, but as you guys can see, it's like being shipped away. It was put on a truck. I think it was being sent somewhere like northeast, like kind of like, I don't know, it's being sent far, far away. Anyways, this is kind of sad. Like, it's really hard to say goodbye. Again, I don't know how much detail I can give you guys on why it's being taken away. Basically, it's getting repoed and they're shipping it away. So it sucks because I haven't even seen it in like the past 2 weeks. It's kind of hard for my car is being taken away from me, and I didn't even get to say like my official goodbyes to it in person. So I'm saying goodbye to the vlog. I know you guys are gonna miss the GTR. I don't know if I'll ever have it back. It's just really like sad that I couldn't be there or do anything about it. It was just all kind of happened so fast. It was partly my fault for not being very, I just wasn't being smart about it, and I didn't handle it how it should have been handled. I guess we're gonna have to say goodbye. I'm just gonna walk away there. Just freaking kidding, guys. Remember how I said I'm going to Canada for this big Action Export Expo? Whoa, that was a lot of freaking words right there. My car's being shipped up to Canada. It's not being expoed. It's not being repoed. Sorry, I pranked you guys. GTR is just being safely transferred up to Canada, but I do have to say goodbye to it because it's being shipped to Canada. So that kind of is sad and that kind of sucks. But, you know, I'll have it back in 4 days. I get to drive it in Canada, which is freaking incredible. That was my car being like transported onto a freaking van. Like, that's so, I just think that's sick as hell to look at. GTR's all good. It's not going anywhere. Me and Taylor are headed to the mall right now, so that's gonna be kind of fun. Nothing has changed. I have been sitting out here for a few minutes. It is still 120 degrees. I'm out of breath. I need some water. Pop sockets, Battle of the Countries, tie-dye, all merch. First link in the bio. Don't miss out on it. We're also doing a free drone giveaway. Every $10 spent on website, 1 entry to win a free drone. You know the drone I use, I fly all the time. I get really cool shots up there in the air. Yeah, if you guys want to win a free drone, who doesn't love free stuff? Go check out the first link in the bio and get yourself some merch. Oh God, guys, I'm at I can't even talk right now. I'm still like low-key jet lagged. It's weird. It's super late and I'm super tired. I'm gonna end today's vlog right now. Tomorrow morning, I'm gonna be at Jacob's all morning and tomorrow. Guys, don't forget to enter the free drone giveaway. Every $10 spent on website is 1 entry. That's gonna do it for today's vlog. I'm so tired and I was gonna talk more, but I don't feel like I'm capable of it. So peace out. Let's roll the outro, man.
Damn, I feel amazing. Damn, I'm in the matrix. My mind is living on cloud nine, and this nine is never on vacation. Start up that Maserati and zoom, zoom on racing. Popping pills in the lobby, and I pray they don't find her naked. And I pray you guess it's agent. Shooters go after Judas. Jesus Christ, if I live life for my